What's up, folks? Today, I'm going to show you how to quickly minimize open windows to the system tray to hide them from view and keep your desktop clutter-free. I'll also show how to restore them with a simple hotkey, so let's get started. Usually, Windows applications appear in the taskbar, which you may not want visible. Hiding a window to the system tray is a great way to keep them private and reduce clutter. Sending it to the system tray can be a useful workaround at times. The best part, the method I'm going to show you does not require installing any additional software. With the blink of a hotkey, all windows can be restored at once, which is very handy. Cool stuff. So let me show you how to do this. I'm going to use a free AutoHotkey script. Just visit the website I linked in the video description and click the download link. Next, you need an application to run the script. As I mentioned, no installation is required. Go to the download page, choose other versions, and download the zip. Unzip the file. All you need is AutoHotkey.exe. I'll move it to my working folder and delete the leftover folder. To run the script, simply drag it onto AutoHotkey.exe. You can then hide windows with the hotkey Alt+6 and restore them with Alt+7. You can edit the script and change the default hotkeys to suit your preferences if you don't like the ones defined by the script's author, Tea Drinker. I noticed a limitation. For some reason, not all windows can be minimized. This happened with every minimize to tray application I tried, so don't worry, it's a common restriction. If AutoHotkey seems too complicated for you, I'll show you another, simpler way to minimize windows to the taskbar. RBTray is another free program you can use. Open the website link in the description, go to the Releases section on the right, download the x64 build, unzip it, and run the .exe. As described in the Help section, the application offers 3 methods to minimize a window to the system tray. Right-click the Windows Minimize button, Shift right-click the Windows title bar, or press the Ctrl+Alt+down hotkey. Let's try it out. Internet Explorer has been minimized great. Now let's try Shift right-clicking the title bar. Perfect. Now let's try the last method using the hotkey. Nice, everything works as expected. This is another free method to minimize windows to the system tray. As with the AutoHotkey solution, some special windows, like the Windows calculator, cannot be minimized to the system tray for some reason, so unfortunately you have to live with that. If you know a solution, leave a comment below. That's it for today. I hope you liked the video. See you in the next one.